Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use HeadshotPro. Today, I'll show you how to easily create professional business photos using this amazing AI-powered service. This service is perfect for people who need high-quality photos without the need to visit a photo studio. Site HeadshotPro features a simple, intuitive interface that makes navigation easy. At the top, you'll find a menu where you can explore various sections, such as tools and headshots. There's also an option to read about the team behind the service. Main function of the site, AI Photographer. HeadshotPro leverages advanced AI technology to generate professional shots. You can select a style, upload your selfie, and receive your photos shortly. Here's how the process works. Step 1. Choosing a style. First, let's choose a style. HeadshotPro offers a wide variety of styles to suit any taste. Simply navigate to the style selection page and pick the one you like. Step 2. Uploading photos. Next, upload your photos. HeadshotPro accepts popular formats like JPEG and PNG. Just select your photos and upload them to the site. Step 3. Generating photos. Now, the AI will process your photos and create professional headshots. This usually takes just a couple of hours. Step 4. Reviewing and downloading photos. Once the photos are ready, you can review them and download the high-quality images directly from the site. That's it. You now receive your high-quality photos. It's simply fantastic. The advantages of using this site are clear: variety of backgrounds and outfits. The photos are of high quality. Quick turnaround. Photos are ready in just 2 hours. Remote photo session. No need to visit a photo studio. Uniform. Style. Ensures your photos look professional and consistent, regardless of location. Editing. Ability to fine-tune photos to achieve the perfect result. It's delightful. HeadshotPro offers a plethora of examples from their clients. You can see what the finished photos look like and read reviews from satisfied users. Now, let's discuss pricing and plans for these services. The service offers 3 main packages. Small package, 40 photos and 4 backgrounds for $29. Standard package, 100 photos and 10 backgrounds for $39. Premium package, 200 photos and 20 backgrounds for $59. Discounts are available for teams of 5 or more. Also, it's important to note that all uploaded photos are used solely for creating your orders and are not shared with third parties. All rights to the photographs belong to you. If you have any questions, you can always contact HeadshotPro support. The Tools section on HeadshotPro provides several free utilities to enhance your professional profile. Free PFP generator. Create a professional profile picture using AI. Free LinkedIn headline generator. Generate an optimized LinkedIn headline. Free LinkedIn bio generator. Craft a compelling LinkedIn bio. Free LinkedIn profile generator. Develop a complete LinkedIn profile with AI assistance. These tools are designed to help users improve their online presence quickly and efficiently. The Headshot section offers a variety of AI-generated headshots tailored for different professions. Acting headshots, corporate headshots, doctor headshots, eras headshots, executive headshots, LinkedIn headshots, model headshots, realtor headshots, studio headshots, team headshots. Each category provides specific styles and backgrounds to suit the professional needs of various users. That's it for this tutorial on HeadshotPro. Start using HeadshotPro today to get your professional photos quickly and easily. For more information, visit their website and feel free to contact their support if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.